in this one, we are taking fractions. Notice it has an x on the top and the bottom of the fraction, and making it ready for doing an antiderivative. So this little set of videos is, in this particular area of my videos, is meant to help you be ready for calculus. And so one of the things you'll find is that the algebra in calculus is sometimes more difficult than the calculus part. So here's the algebra behind this. If I want this x plus 2 over x minus 4 to be made into a mixed number, like 1 plus a fraction, the cool thing is when we're done, there'll only be one x in it. And that's what makes it easier to use when you're doing an antiderivative. All right, so how do I make this? I've heard it called turn the knob. So you want to go like this, like you grab a doorknob and you'd turn it to the right to open a door. And then when I do that, this x minus 4 is over on the left and the x plus 2 is over on the right. And now it's all set up for a long divide. That just reminds you that the top part is the dividend, and it goes in the den, I like to say. We are in Minnesota where bears hibernate. So anyway, all you have to do is put the x plus 2, the top part, into underneath that square root, not the square root, sorry, underneath the long division, and the x minus 4 on the outside. All right, so now it's just long division. So what goes in here? I put a 1. 1 times x is x, and 1 times the negative 4 makes negative 4. Okay, I had a little visitor there, but I paused and I'm back. All right, so now I am, after I've multiplied it out, I'm going to draw my line like this. This is just long division. Now I'm going to make this the opposite and this the opposite. And now I'm going to say x and negative x will cancel each other out and there'll be nothing left. And positive 2 and positive 4 makes positive 6. All right, so now this is the part where some people never knew this about long division. But I can state my answer as 1 plus 6 over x minus 4. There's my answer. What just happened there? My remainder here, got put over the divisor. And that leaves me with this answer, which only has one x in it, which makes it a lot easier when you're doing antiderivatives. All right, so one more time. Let's say that I had, just to show you an example, 6 going into 7. Would you agree it goes in there once, and 1 times 6 is 6, and I make it subtract, and I have a leftover 1? A lot of times kids just thought, well, that's a remainder 1. But what you can do with it is say 1 plus 1 over 6. And that's saying that 6 goes into 7 1 and 1/6 times. Another way to say it is that times that will equal that. All right, so one more example problem. Let's say I had x minus 3 over x plus 7. Do it real fast. I'm going to turn the knob, so to speak, and this will become x minus 3 over here and the x plus 7 over here. I put a 1 here. 1 times x is x. 1 times 7 is 7. And this is opposite, opposite. And then I have negative 10 here left. And that means this is 1 and negative 10 over x plus 7. Now you could say that that's 1 minus 10 over x plus 7. So there's another example. And that's all I've got for you for now.